Hey everyone, storm tracking / forecasting here. This is my first EAS scenario. This will probably never happen. This also has loud tones, so if you have sensitive hearing, please skip this video. Now let's begin with WNG 604 Portland, Oregon at around 2 p.m. Monday. You're listening to the KIG 98 NOAA weather radio serving Portland, Oregon and the surrounding area, and now for our latest outlook today through tomorrow. Today, heavy rain with severe thunderstorms and the National Weather Service has issued Rain Watch number 211, which is affecting the following areas: Seattle, Ellensburg, Yakima, Moses Lake, and Yakima Indian Reservation. Remember, a rain watch means that heavy rain and flash flooding is possible in the watch area. And now for your hazardous weather outlook, which is in effect till tomorrow. What heavy rain and thunderstorms with a warm front behind it will create heavy to severe thunderstorms. Some storms could be severe and a few could produce tornadoes EF2+.
Welcome to Seattle News. I am your host, Don Smith, and today, we are taking a look at the Storm Prediction Center, Day 1 convective outlook, and we have got. By the way, this is just a small update. We have got a enhanced risk with a slight risk as well, and this is expected to possibly this enhanced risk is expected to possibly widen, and maybe we could have a moderate risk. That's right. This is the year 2029, and we could possibly have our first ever moderate risk. This is our first ever slight risk and an enhanced risk for Portland, Oregon, and the Washington area. We'll keep you up to date. This is Seattle. This is Seattle News. I am Don Smith.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch, PDS, number 23 affecting the following areas: Portland, Salem, Seattle, Hood River, Roseburg, Albany. Remember, a tornado watch means that storms inside of the watch area form tornadoes and damaging winds. The current weather is 78F with a thunderstorm statement in effect till 3:56 p.m. At 3:49 p.m. a strong thunderstorm was located over Woodland and Highway 5 moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Cautionary preparedness auctions: take shelter in your home. This storm is also producing 1.3-inch hail.
And we are just covering the storm here, just a little bit, a couple miles away from Vancouver and Portland Metro.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newburgh-Woodburn. Canby. A severe thunderstorm was located 1 mile from Oregon City and was moving east. Hazard, strong winds up to 45 miles per hour and 2.34-inch hail. Impact, tree damage likely, power outages possible. Precautionary / preparedness actions: seek shelter in your home till the storm passes. Wind, 45 mph. Hail, 2.34 inch. Tornado, possible. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Portland. Beaverton, Oregon City at 4:23 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Oregon City, moving northeast at 34 miles per hour. Source: law enforcement spotted funnel cloud. Impacts: mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed, trees will be uprooted, and power outages will result. Precautionary/preparedness actions. You are in a life-threatening situation, take shelter in the basement or a low-lying ditch and protect yourself from flying debris.
Alright, and guys, so we do have now a tornado warning in effect. I will read you all the counties, I think, cities that will be that are going to be impacted by this tornado warning. This is extremely rare, and this is also right over my city. And oh my god, the National Weather Service radar is showing base reflectivity, like major velocity on this storm as well. This thing looks like it is on the ground. Sadly, it's heading right through Lake Oswego now. Oh god, I need to take shelter. I'll be right back, guys.
And now for your weather forecast for Portland and the large destructive tornado on the ground. The National Weather Service has issued a PDS tornado warning for Portland, Vancouver metro area, Hazel, Del Salmon Creek. Hazard: large tornado. Source: law enforcement and public confirmed tornado. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take shelter now in a basement or a low-lying ditch. To repeat, a large tornado is on the ground. The current weather is 80F with showers and T-storms. Thunderstorm statement in effect till 5:23 at 4:57 a.m. Strong thunderstorm was located along a squall line from Portland up to Seattle. This storm producing large hail and damaging winds up to 56 miles per hour. Hazard: very strong winds and 4-inch hail. The extended weather for large destructive tornado heading for the metro area at 5:02 p.m. A confirmed large destructive tornado was moving over Vancouver metro. Hazard: damaging and possibly deadly tornado. Source: radar, law enforcement and public confirmed tornado. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now, move to a basement or a low-lying ditch. To repeat, a large damaging tornado is on the ground. The weather is very large deadly wedge tornado on the ground moving north at 67 miles per hour. This tornado moving towards Woodland at 5:19 p.m. A deadly damaging tornado was located over Battleground moving north at 67 miles per hour. Hazard: wedge tornado. Source: radar satellite law enforcement and storm chasers conformed. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take shelter now to move to a basement or flee the area. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Eatonville at 5:43 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located along a squall line from Portland, Oregon to Seattle. This thunderstorm is producing large hail up to 2.56 inches. Hazard: large damaging hail. Source: radar. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take shelter in your home till the storm passes. If you hear a bang on the roof, head down to your basement. And now for your hazardous weather outlook, which is affecting the following states: Washington, Oregon. The next 7 days, no hazards. Today through tonight, thunderstorms. Some storms could be severe. Day 2 tonight, strong to severe thunderstorms. Some storms could produce waterspouts. The National Weather Service has issued Marine Thunderstorm Watch number 345 effective till 1 a.m. Tuesday at 5:50 p.m. A large warm front off the coast of Oregon and Washington moving south after front passes. Strong to severe storms will form and could be capable of producing long track waterspouts. Keep off the waters till this front passes. Tornado emergency. The National Weather Service in Deer Islands has issued a tornado warning for Hayes Woodland Pine Grove at 6 p.m. A large deadly and damaging tornado was located over Woodland moving north-northwest at 70 miles per hour. Hazard: life-threatening tornado. Source: radar satellite law enforcement, storm chasers, and public confirmed tornado. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take shelter now, move to an underground basement or low-lying ditch or flee the area. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Yamhill Carlton at 6:13 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located along a line from Carlton to Cherry Grove moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: strong winds up to 57 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Seek shelter in your home or a basement. If you're in a mobile home, seek shelter in a low-lying ditch. This radio has been impacted by severe weather and is no longer. Severe thunderstorm statement in effect till 6:27 p.m. At 6:25 p.m. A strong to severe thunderstorm was located over Hubbard moving northeast at 34 miles per hour. Hazard, large hail and possible brief tornadoes. Source, radar indicated. Precautionary/preparedness actions. If you spot a funnel cloud, report it to the National Weather Service. A tornado watch remains in effect till 2 a.m. Tuesday. This radio has been impacted by severe weather. This radio. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tigard, Tualatin Lake, Oswego, Clackamas, and Oregon City at 6:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm with a history of producing funnel clouds was located over Oregon City moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, funnel clouds and possible brief tornadoes. Source, radar and storm spotters. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to the lowest floor of a sturdy building or take cover in a low-lying ditch. Extreme RFD is also occurring with this storm. And now for your local weather forecast at Northwoods. There was a thunderstorm with a temp of 78. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Yale Cougar at 6:47 p.m. A severe thunderstorm with a history of producing long-track tornadoes was located over Cougar moving northeast at 56 miles per hour. Hazard, RFD and funnel clouds. Source, radar storm spotters and public confirmed. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take shelter now. This storm has a history of producing damaging tornadoes and damaging RFD. The current weather is severe T-storms. The temp is 85 F. Current alerts, hazardous weather outlook, tornado watch. The National Weather Service in Longview has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Clatskanie and Apiary at 6:57 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located along a line extending from Mist to Rainier moving east at 34 miles per hour. Hazard, 56 miles per hour wind gusts and 3.34-inch hail. Source, radar indicated. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take shelter now. This storm is producing large hail and damaging winds. And now for your extended forecast for Packwood area today. Severe thunderstorms. Thunderstorm statement in effect till today at 7:45 p.m. At 7:23 p.m. A strong thunderstorm was located over southeast of Packwood moving east at 34 miles per hour. Hazard winds up to 45 miles per hour and 2.31-inch hail. Source, radar indicated. A warm front is passing and will likely produce strong to severe storms on the coast. Please keep off. The National Weather Service in Long Beach has issued a marine thunderstorm alert at 7:20 p.m. A strong thunderstorm was located just off the coast moving north at 34 knots. Hazard, 45 miles per hour winds and 0.12-inch hail. Source: radar indicated. Precautionary/preparedness actions. If you are on a boat or a ship, dock it and seek shelter. The National Weather Service in Salem has issued a tornado warning for Silver Falls State Park at 7:37 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Silver Falls, moving east-northeast at 56 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and RFD. Source: radar indicated. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take shelter now. Move to the lowest floor of the tallest building. If you are in a mobile home, take shelter in a low-lying ditch. The National Weather Service in Woodburn has issued a tornado warning for Lone Elder, Needy, Yoder, Maxburg, Liberal, Mulino. At 7:56 p.m. a tornado-producing storm was located over Needy, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: Storm Spotter. Precautionary/preparedness actions. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Move to a basement or on the lowest floor of the tallest building. The National Weather Service in Colton has issued a PDS severe thunderstorm warning for Elwood, Dodge Highland, Springwater, Cazadero, Estacada, Tracy, George. At 8 p.m. a severe squall line was located over Dodge, moving northeast at 67 miles per hour. Hazard: excessive straight-lined wind. Source: storm chasers. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Treat this like a tornado and take shelter. Move to the lowest floor of the tallest building and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Long Beach has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 44 affecting the following areas: ocean shores: Westport, Ocean Park, Astoria, Warrenton, Seaside, Cannon Beach, Rockaway Beach, Tillamook, Pacific City, Lincoln City, Depot Bay, Newport, Toledo, Waldport, Siuslaw National Forest, Mapleton, Reedsport, Winchester Bay, Coos Bay. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and inside the watch area. At Mount Hood it was snowing. The temp was 31 F and lowering, now a foul. The National Weather Service in Hood River has issued snow watch number 345 currently affecting Hood River, Mount Hood. Mount Hood Village at 8:15 a.m. line of strong to severe storms was located all the way from Seattle to Portland, moving at 45 miles per hour. This storm is likely to impact Mount Hood within the next 30 minutes and will give Mount Hood sudden bursts of snow and sudden bursts of winds as high as 78 miles per hour. At Castle Rock there was severe thunderstorms. The temp was 87F. The Longview weather station is not available right now. At Trottle it was. The National Weather Service in Castle Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tootle at 8:20 p.m. A severe thunderstorm producing scud clouds and winds up to 68 miles per hour was located over Tootle, moving east at 56 miles per hour. Hazard: 74 miles per hour wind gusts and 4.56-inch hail. Source: Storm Chaser. Precautionary/preparedness actions. The winds are causing tornado-like damage. Take this like a tornado is on the ground and move to the closest shelter. The National Weather Service in Rendell has issued a tornado warning for Cispus at 8:33 p.m. A severe thunderstorm producing very brief tornadoes was located moving east at 47 miles per hour. Hazard: possible tornadoes. Source: radar storm spotters. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the tallest building. If you are in a mobile home, take shelter in a low-lying ditch. The current weather forecast for Randall today is severe thunderstorms, high 89F. Tornado on the ground moving towards Randall. Large tornado heading towards Randall. The National Weather Service in Randall has issued a PDS tornado warning for Randall at 8:43 p.m. A large tornado was located 5 miles away from Randall, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: large tornado. Source: Storm Spotter radar. Precautionary/preparedness actions. To repeat, a large tornado is on the ground. Take shelter now. Move to a basement or on the lowest floor of the tallest building. The National Weather Service in Mossy Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Alpha Cinnabar, Mossy Rock, Harmony, La Grande, Reliance, Elba. At 8:50 p.m. a line of storms located all the way from Seattle to Portland, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: excessive straight-lined wind. Source: Storm Chaser. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Take this like a tornado is coming and move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of the tallest building. If you are in a mobile home, take shelter in a low-lying ditch. The National Weather Service in Mossy Rock has issued a PDS severe thunderstorm warning for Mayfield, Winston, Wilson, St. Helens, Alta Vista. At 8:52 p.m. a confirmed derecho was located along the line extending from Seattle to Portland, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard: winds up to 90 miles per hour and gusts up to 100 miles per hour. Source: radar. Precautionary/preparedness actions. To repeat, damaging winds up to 90 miles per hour is on the ground. Seek shelter immediately or try to flee the area.